It's May 9th, 2020 right now. I am chisel plowing in a snowstorm. This is definitely a new experience for me. Running my 1586. Got the duals on. My 8-pound or 8-shank. Well, it's 10-shank. Alright, come on. There you go, girl. I gotta not drop the phone out the window. Put the glove there on the cup holder. 3 points all the way. Whoa! Okay, filming and steering is a little more difficult. How those other YouTube farmers do it. Not that I'm exactly a YouTube farmer, but that's just in the past since I made. That's how much snow. Chewing a little bit on my bald tires, but I gotta turn, so it doesn't reflect it, but just a minute ago it was almost a whiteout up here. Ah crap, mud hole coming. I'm gonna have to raise the plow. Well, almost done. Snowstorm's cleared up. Got my split off just a little bit here. Had to make an extra pass up and down this side. But this thing's been pulling like a honey badger out in this slick snow. She don't care, and I think it's doing a pretty damn good job of plowing. I know I got way more tractor than I need for that little bitty plow, but hey, at least I'm not busting the tractor all to pieces. That's the brake pedal lock jingling down there. Makes a little noise. But I think I can cover that on the way back out, and then this field will be done. Whoa! Yeah, there we go again. Yeah, if I can stay on the row, driving like a freaking sausage once they start looking away and filming. Ay, for God's sake, I didn't drive in a snowstorm this bad all winter. And I'm out plowing in it? Man. Who's nuts here? Jeez. Look at it, just snowing, blowing, and holy smokes. I'm on my second field now. I don't know how much longer I'm going to keep going. Probably until I can't see the corn stalks. Yeah, the old 15. Pulling, I'm not even spinning. Old bald tires, not even spinning. Honey badgers still at it. Another row of corn there. Been run over, but I knew there was another row of corn there. Oh my gosh. I hear an old wives' tale that plow snow under you gets a nitrogen benefit. Who knows? That field of corn that I just did, if that does better, maybe there's something to it. Oh well.